My people, ANALYSE already does shake everywhere again for court, the Federal High Court in Abuja. I want you guys to watch this video. What's your take?
Good morning, how are you now? Say, who are you shouting? Who is that? Do I look like Yaya Bello to you? I beg, go and sit down. Go and sit down. Hey, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Yes.
I'm a police officer. Please
So what?
come out.
I'm not coming out.
Who are you? Can I know you?
I have a business in court.
Okay, please.
No, I'm not coming out. I'm not coming out. You can't clear me. You are not an officer of the court.
Hello, sir.
You are an AFCC officer.
Hello, sir.
You have no business standing in front of the court.
I'm talking to you now.
So
Clear,
why is he jumping at me?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes.
Please, what can I do for
This
you?
is a federal high court.
Yes, you are.
Bring a court official. I'll talk to the person.
I'm here. I'm a policeman.
Oh, you have a senior. How are you? You are not a court official. You are allowed EFCC to be flying at people in court. That's what the nonsense the DSS does here too. It's not taking it easy now. They are the ones who bring us to court. Harass EFCC for that matter. Yes. There's no issue. I have a court case. Please. Leave the road. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'll restrict you.
You can't restrict me. You can't. No. There's no order given to you that can prevent me from going to. You can't. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, I'm not going to call anybody to tell you a case I have. No, you have no right. You have no right to prevent me from attending to my case at the Federal High Court. You don't have any right to stay in front of the Federal High Court, regardless of who you are.
Which case do you have?
I'm not going to tell you my case. You are not my
I'm here. I'm a policeman.
lawyer. You are not my lawyer.
Sir, you are free.
Stop your foolishness. You are not my lawyer. Very stupid people. How can you be harassing people in front of the Federal High Court? You are not my lawyer.
I don't know what to say on this. I understand that some people will call ANALYSE arrogant on this video, while some will call him brave. Before I go put words for an amount, I want you guys to leave your comment on the comment section. What's your take? How ANALYSE responded to the security men at the Federal High Court today? What's your take? Put it on the comment section and we'll talk on it extensively. NAIJA Watch Media. Thank you.